In today's session, we will study about Crosstalk. Crosstalk is a simple instrument used for setting out right angles. Here it consists of either a frame or a box with two pairs of vertical slits and is mounted on a pole for fixing on the ground. So here we have, this is wooden crosstalk. Here you can see there are two slits, and these slits make 90 degree to each other. So by using this one we can make 90 degree, or you can set right angles on ground. And this is another type. This is called open crosstalk. It is made up of metal. Here also you can see there are two slits are available, and similarly you can see through this point. Now one more is there. This is called French crosstalk. French crosstalk is with the 7 sides, and here you can set 45 degree as well as 90 degree. So here there are two applications. If you want to set 45 degree angle, and also it's possible with for 90 degree angles. And for all these instruments we need to fix on a pole. I will show you how to fix it. And one more instrument is there, that is it is called optical square. This is also used for setting out 90 degree, and it is called optical square, which is more convenient and accurate instrument than compared to the crosstalk for setting out a line at right angles, and which is working on a principle that double reflection. You can see there are two mirrors. You can see from this side also. So if the line is here, you can see through this mirror, and similarly when we see from this side, again you can see one more mirror here. So the principle is double reflection, which is more convenient and accurate compared to crosstalk. Now we will see how to use this crosstalk. This is the pole used to fix the crosstalk on the ground. Now this is our open crosstalk. Now we can fix it on this pole. So we can fix this pole on the ground. Like that we can setting out 90 degree or right angles. Now next we have French crosstalk. Here this one also fixed similarly. This is the wooden crosstalk. We already discussed about it. Here you can see two slits, and this is how it is fixed on the ground. Now whenever we want to make 90 degree or right angles, you can see by through one slit you can see the other ranging rod. Similarly at right angles you can see one more slit. So both should be visible properly. Then the ranging rods, or you can directly set out the perpendicular or right angle. Next we will see about prismatic compass. Prismatic compass is an instrument used to measure direction. So here let us see what about the instrument. Here this is the prismatic compass. Here you can see there is a covering, and inside that there is it's like a box, and here when we open it, there you can directly see one graduated ring is there, and there is a needle is there. Here it is marked as north. The main importance of this prismatic compass is it will always show north direction. That's why we can measure direction with respect to angle with respect to north direction. So here there are two vanes. One is objective vane. This is called objective vane, and this one is called eye vane. See here, eye vane will be like this. We should tilt the eye vane for taking the measurements. Here you can see there is a you should open this lid, then only you can see the prism. So you should make it like this, then only you can read the readings. Here graduated ring is there, all the readings. We know that in prismatic compass the reading will be 0 to 360 degrees. So when you want to see the readings here, eye vane should be made like this. It should be in position. and you can adjust the eye vane, you can focus it by using focusing stud here, so the height will be adjusted and you can see the graduations, that means the readings. Here this is the objective, when you can see there is a mirror. When the object, the target is below the ground level, you can use this mirror. And here there is, you can see there is a slit. What you have to do is, you should fix this compass on a tripod, and you should target it to the object. So you should see the object through this object vane, and that time you can take the readings. First of all, whenever you fix the instrument on ground, first you should adjust the height of tripod. It should be at our eye level. While adjusting the tripod, you should release all 3 screws together and make how to release it, and make the height. All 3 legs should be of the same height. Now you can place over the ground, and you should tight it. This is the tripod. Like this we have to erect on the site, on the ground. Now we can fix the compass over this tripod. There is a screw is provided, and you should make it tight. Now whenever we place the instrument over the ground, we have to go for the temporary adjustments. What are the temporary adjustments? Temporary adjustments, first one is centering. Centering means you should mark the points on the ground by using a plumb bob. You should mark the points on the ground. Next is leveling. Leveling in the sense, this graduated circle should move freely. That means you should not touch anywhere on this box. So whenever you rotate this box, this graduated ring should not move, or it should not affect. So for making it adjust, there is a lid is provided. By pressing this, you can stop this graduated ring, and you can make it stable. So this is called leveling. You can level the compass. Next is focusing the prism. Here as I told, there is a prism. By seeing here, you can see the readings here. If you can see through this, you can see the readings in this prism. You can see the prism here. So you should adjust this. So that is called focusing. So there are 3 temporary adjustments. One is centering, then leveling, then focusing the prism. Now you can directly take the readings. So I want to take the bearing of that door. So first what you have to do is, you should coincide, the door should coincide in the object vane through this slit. So now it is exactly coincide with that. After making it coinciding with the object, in the object vane, you should see the reading, what is the bearing. So every time you will get the bearing with respect to the direction, like this north direction. I think everyone understood how to use this prismatic compass.